Canadians are sick of these bizarre answers, Mr. Speaker. The fact is, mounting evidence is linking these voter suppression calls to the Conservative Party. Investigators are interviewing more Conservative operatives. Conservative voter lists were accessed from the same IP address from Pierre Poutine used to order voter suppression calls. And missing evidence about who accessed the Conservative database may never be recovered. No one trusts the Conservatives on this. When will this government do the right thing and call an independent inquiry?
The Honourable Parliamentary Secretary to the Prime Minister.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Further to what my colleague said a moment ago, let's listen to what the Chief Electoral Officer had to say on this matter. He said, and I quote, "I find it troubling, all of the sweeping allegations of wrongdoing without facts to support it." That's what we hear in this House day in and day out from an NDP that has had to apologize time and time and time again for defamatory comments that they have made in public. Mr. Speaker, let's be clear. The articles that were published over the weekend made it absolutely crystal clear for the NDP. The Conservative Party is fully supporting this investigation, and it played no role in it. Thank you.
The Honourable Member for Halifax.